Your hardware and software have been upgraded. You are now Windows 7. Enjoy. Yes, 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 yes. Finally, I can experience the clean and fast Windows 7. Thank God they did not put me on Windows 8. Windows has detected that you pressed a key. Pay Microsoft $9.99 to continue. Damn it, I hate you, dickwads. I hate you, assets, go burn in hell. This is very important. Click yes to receive $10,000. Well, it seems legit enough. I will click yes. Alright, what the hell is this? I have no idea how to read this shit. I will translate this. It says, you have just installed the leak virus. Good luck reading. Oh good God, not this again. This will make browsing the internet impossible for me. Damn it, damn it, damn it. An error occurred when loading Windows. Install Windows Suite Edition to continue. Oh fine. I guess there's no way out of it. Install Windows Suite Edition. Welcome to Windows Suite Edition. You will not trip balls like nothing else. Whoa. Like man, I am seeing double rainbows and pretty colors. Wow.
Hello, welcome to Hellshift. Your dormant of the day will be watching for girls 1 cup for 666 hours. We hope you have an excruciatingly fun time with Hellshift. Swore 666 swore 666 swore 666.
Microsoft Sam is a fag with no life. Only one thing to say. What the fuck did you just fucking say about me, you little bitch? I'll have you know I graduated top of my class in the Navy SEALs, and I've been involved in numerous secret raids on Al-Qaeda, and I have over 300 confirmed kills. I am trained in guerrilla warfare and I'm the top sniper in the entire US Armed Forces. You are nothing to me but just another target. I will wipe you the fuck out with precision the likes of which has never been seen before on this earth. Mark my fucking words. You think you can get away with saying that shit to me over the internet? Think again, fucker. As we speak I am contacting my secret network of spies across the USA and your IP is being traced right now, so you better prepare for the storm, maggot. The storm that wipes out the pathetic little thing you call your life. You're fucking dead, kid. I can be anywhere, anytime, and I can kill you in over 700 ways, and that's just with my bare hands. Not only am I extensively trained in armed combat, but I have access to the entire arsenal of the United States Marine Corps and I will use it to its full extent to wipe your miserable ass off the face of the continent, you little shit. If only you could have known what unholy retribution your little clever comment was about to bring down upon you, maybe you would have held your fucking tongue. But you couldn't, you didn't, and now you're paying the price, you goddamn idiot. I will shit fury all over you and you will drown in it. You're fucking dead.